الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. أهلا بكم إخواني وأخواتي، معكم أخوكم أحمد من قناة ALEID Languages، واللي قررنا فيها إن شاء الله إن احنا نعلم اللغة الإنجليزية من الصفر وحتى الاحتراف. النهاردة إن شاء الله نتكلم عن حاجة مهمة جدا ما يقدرش أي إنسان يعيش من غيرها، وهو الطعام. يعني لو حضرتك مثلا دخلت سوبر ماركت عاوز تشتري أي حاجة، دخلت مطعم عاوز تاكل حاجة، أو عايز تعمل أي أكل عموما، فعايز تعرف الأكل ده اسمه إيه وده بيتعمل إزاي وكده. فالنهاردة إن شاء الله معانا مجموعة من الجمل اللي نقدر نعبر بيها عن الأطعمة والمأكولات والمشروبات باللغة الإنجليزية بكل سهولة. فيلا بينا. فلما أجي أقول مثلا Are you here alone? Are you here alone? Can I bring my friend? Can I bring my friend? Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please? Can it be cheaper? Can it be cheaper? Can we have a menu, please? Can we have a menu, please? Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? Can you have any children? Can you have any children? Do you know how much it costs? Do you know how much it costs? Have you eaten at that restaurant? Have you eaten at that restaurant? Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten yet? Have you ever had potato soup? Have you ever had potato soup? He likes juice, but he doesn't like milk. He likes juice, but he doesn't like milk. Here is your salad. Here is your salad. Here is your order. Here is your order. How does it taste? How does it taste? How many people? Restaurant. How many people? Restaurant. I agree. I agree. I'd like a table near the window. I'd like a table near the window. I'd like to call the United States. I'd like to call the United States. I haven't been there. I haven't been there. I haven't finished eating. I haven't finished eating. I like it. I like it. I'll give you a call. I'll give you a call. I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll have a glass of water, please. I'll have a glass of water, please. I am from America. I am from America. I am going to bed. I am going to bed. I am here on business. I am here on business. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I only have $5. I only have $5. I think I need to see a doctor. I think I need to see a doctor. It's August 25th. It's August 25th. I understand. I understand. June 3rd. June 3rd. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. There are some apples in the refrigerator. There are some apples in the refrigerator. There is a restaurant near here. There is a restaurant near here. There is a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good. There is a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good. Waiter. Waiter. Waitress. Waitress. We can eat Italian or Chinese food. We can eat Italian or Chinese food. We'll have 2 glasses of water, please. We'll have 2 glasses of water, please. What are you going to have? What are you going to have? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What's your email address? What's your email address? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Where is an EDM? Where is an EDM? Where is there a doctor who speaks English? 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 Which one? Which one? Would you ask him to come here? Would you ask him to come here? Would you like a glass of water? Would you like a glass of water? شكرا لكم إخواني الكرام، وأشوفكم على خير في درس جديد إن شاء الله من دروس تعليم اللغة الإنجليزية على قناتكم العيد لانجويجز، واللي بنعلمكم فيها اللغة الإنجليزية إن شاء الله من الصفر وحتى الاحتراف. شكرا لكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.